This will be a more in-depth look at the ticketing system within Vision. The system includes several distinct components to meet both service provider and subscriber requirements. At its core, Vision's ticketing system exists to record and easily resolve problems. Vision begins by first assigning tickets explicitly to the service invoice or the location they affect. The system narrows this focus further by providing multiple dimensions to categorize tickets, such as problem categories or subcategories. Let's start by creating a new ticket. As you likely already know, there are multiple ways to add a new ticket. We'll begin by clicking the Create a Ticket button on the dashboard. From here, we'll select a subscriber. You now have the option to either enter information manually or choose a pre-created template. When using a template, you also have the option to automatically start the associated dynamic workflow. Within the notes, you can format text, add tables, and attach photos to document actions taken to resolve an issue. For example, an on-site technician can take pictures of a location to document damage or potential interference. When ready, click Add Ticket. If using a template, most of the information will already be completed. Otherwise, fill out as much as possible to fully leverage the ticketing system. Start by associating a contact. Here, you can choose a location with the subscriber's location selected by default. You can also associate a service package item or network event and add a contact email address and phone number. We can see individuals and groups assigned to the ticket, along with its priority and categories. Below, you'll find a log of all changes made to the ticket, showing what was changed, when, and by whom. You can click the menu icon for options on each entry. For example, reply to the note via email, edit the note to add details, make the note public on the subscriber portal, pin the note to the top of the ticket, or add an attachment. Above the ticket log, you'll find several icons for additional actions. Clicking the Send SMS or Send Email icons opens an editor where you can format text. You can save an email or SMS as a template for future communications. Adding a note brings up a simple editor to quickly log updates. You can also view associated network events to see relevant details about the issue. Clicking the Workflows icon allows you to either add a dynamic workflow or view one in progress. Dynamic workflows guide you through a series of steps to resolve complex issues. You can also add attachments and bring up directions and drive time to the associated location. Clicking the menu button provides more options, as well as allowing you to switch the subscriber associated with the ticket. Switching the subscriber will transfer all ticket information to the new subscriber, creating a new note in the log about the change. There are two ways to close a ticket. You can change the status to Closed by clicking the Status dropdown. Sometimes you may also want to write a note with closing remarks. Start a new note, write and format your message, then click Add Note and Close Ticket. This action will close the ticket and mark your note as the closing remarks. If you need assistance or want to learn how to maximize the ticketing system's capabilities, please reach out to the Vision support team.